Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be basically doing my makeup and also showing you guys a particular eyeshadow that looks like one of the Huda Beauty mini eyeshadow palettes. So as for my hair, I'm going to link the video down below for you guys to see how I did my hair. And now I'm priming my face. Oh sorry, I am moisturizing my face using the Cetaphil moisturizer. Then after that, I went ahead to use the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser just to prime the areas that I feel need that particular primer. So for my hair, the video I'm going to be linking is an old video, but it's going to guide you on how I did this one. Then my hair was retouched, was relaxed then. So now I was done with one of my brows. Then now I'm taking the blot brow gel to just set my brows. I have been loving this process, and I think I'm going to do an updated brow routine for you guys. So I'm just using the David's pencil to just map out my brows, then fill at the same time. Then after brushing that with my spoolie, I went ahead to highlight my brows with the ColourPop concealer in the shade medium dark 32, yeah, with a flat brush from Nuban Beauty. I blend down the concealer using one of the Real Technique brush. Then I went ahead to clean the top with Elegant concealer in Toast or Toffee, yeah, Toffee, with the same flat brush. So to get my shade of foundation, I mixed the Maybelline Superstay and ColourPop foundation to just get my shade. So for my highlight, I like mixing the medium dark 32 and dark 42 for my highlight, but unfortunately I did not record that process. So this is me contouring my nose here. I have a video of how I contour my nose. I will link that as well in the description box. Then this is the Milani powder. I use that to set my under my eye. So that's me going back with the beauty blender to blend first before setting underneath my eyes. So I also used that same powder to set the areas I highlighted as well. So for my contour, I'm using the Blood Flawless Matte Pressed Powder just to contour, using a brush from Nuban Beauty to contour. So the blush is from Sauce Pro, and I'm using this fluffy brush to just apply that. So for fallout, I'm going to set my under eye with this Revolution setting powder to catch any fallout. So now I'm setting my eye with a pressed powder just to prep the eye for eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow that I'll be using today, and it's called Ever Beauty. I saw the eyeshadow and it reminded me of one of the Huda Beauty mini palette, and this is it. If you cannot get your hands on the Huda Beauty, this one is very affordable, guys, and the matte colors in the palette is very pigmented. I cannot compare the both because I have not used the Huda Beauty eyeshadow before, but people that have used it and that have done review for it said it is pigmented and it is really nice. So now I'm taking a pink shade to blend the first color that I applied on my crease. So this eyeshadow is way cheaper compared to the Huda Beauty. I'm going to link the store my sister got it from in the description box as well. Then after blending that out, I went ahead to take that first shade that I applied on my crease. I'm going to pat that on the same area. So I'm using a concealer as a primer today. So I'm going to apply the concealer on my lid. While I blend, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I want to use this opportunity to please ask you to do so. And if you like this video, I would like you guys to please also give me a thumbs up. So I'm taking that brush that I used to apply the first color on my crease to just blend that concealer. So after that, I'm taking this small brush to apply the pink shimmer eyeshadow and the palette on my lid. So after that, I took the purple one just to apply that in the middle of my lid. This is how the palette looks like in case you are going to look for it somewhere. Then I'm buffing out the setting powder because I'm done with the eyeshadow application. So the gel liner that I use is from Revlon, but this is quite old, so it took me like ages to get my liner right. So for my waterline, I'm using this black liner from Zaron. To set my makeup, I use a Zaron Perfect Finish setting spray, and I just spray that all over my face. So for my highlights, I'm using this beautiful highlighter palette from Albaji Cosmetics, and I'm applying that on my cheekbone using Nuban Beauty brush. So this lipstick I'm applying now is from Zaron in Blonde. Yeah. Then this second one is from Glitz and Glam in the number 24. So this is me trying to arrange my hair, doing some touch up before I take some badass photos. So for the background noise, I am sorry guys, I live very close to the road, so I'm just putting on some nice gold earrings and trying to give you that nice pose. So this is the finished look. I love the contact lens, I love my hair and everything. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video.